Hello, and welcome to the Great Indian Anime Show presented by Ota Life.
The show where India's biggest anime and pop culture conversations finally get their time in the spotlight, right here on Z Cafe.
But before we dive into the episode, a huge shout out to our sponsor Ota Life, the home of every Desi otaku.
I'm Sahil Aryan Inamdar,
I am Aryan Sahil Inamdar.
and together we are the Anilist.
You know that one thing that defines every content creator's journey? Whether you're an anime fan or a movie buff or even someone who's just hustling through life, it's consistency.
Exactly. You can have the talent, the timing, or even luck, but consistency? That's what turns creators to icons.
Think about PewDiePie, Mr. Beast, Sidemen. They didn't just blow up because of one viral video. They just never stopped showing up.
Yeah. We tried that too. Long nights, hard drive crashes, editors vanishing like the Uchiha clan. But here we are on national television on Z Cafe.
Maybe this was destiny and the universe really does reward consistency.
And tonight's guest, he's someone who completely gets with that. He's completely all about the grind.
He's been creating for years, breaking down movies, anime, Marvel, DC. Basically, if it's on the screen, he's already explained it before you could even Google it.
But he's not just consistent. He's ridiculously consistent. The man will watch 5 movies on Friday, write the scripts overnight, edit, and upload it by the next day. Like, come on, man.
His content is sharp, his takes are clever, and the upload schedule, legendary.
With over 3 million followers across all platforms, 1.4 million subscribers on YouTube, and hundreds and millions of views, he's one of India's most watched and respected pop culture icons.
He's the bridge between the anime crowd and the superhero fans, the film buffs and the people who just love watching a guy passionately explain what they didn't even notice in a movie.
And that's why he's here, because his story is a masterclass on how consistency builds legacy.
So let's give it up for the man who made pop culture his full-time hustle, the creator, the critic, the legend himself, Badal Yadav aka BNF TV!
Hey! Hi.
Hello.
Hey, better. So, Mr. Cloud, Mr. Badal, how are you?
I think I'm fine. I'm doing fine. Changing weather has shaken me a bit. My immunity is down. But I hope you guys feel that I have.
Yeah, like we are here to like lift your spirits up.
Let's go.
You look very good, by the way.
Yeah,
Thank
quite
you.
dapper.
Thank you.
Wanted to ask you, like, so how did it feel to be on national TV, like on Z Cafe, on such a anime talk show, like that's happening in India for the first time?
I mean, when I got the invitation from you guys that we are doing this show and you shared all these BTS, we are building this set and stuff. I got very excited. I was like, I need to pull my game up. I've been doing this YouTube thing for 7 years in my own bedroom.
Yeah, actually, I wanted to ask you, like, what do you exactly do for a living? Because
watch-
Yeah, is it
I-
just YouTube?
Yeah, just YouTube. I watch movies and I make videos about them. That's it.
You're living the life, my friend. You're living the life.
But honestly, how do you like your upload speed, your consistency? It's breathtaking.
Yeah.
Honestly. So you watch the movie, you plan, you script, and you shoot, and all within 24 hours.
Yeah.
Like, can you tell us the process?
Not just 24 hours, our entire pipeline from when the movie ends to when the video is uploaded, it's roughly about 2.5 to 3 hours. You produce the entire video in that time.
Okay, so tell me, you're going for a movie. It gets released on a Friday.
Yeah.
You go there, you watch it. What do you do next?
So the prep begins on Thursday.
Huh.
I look for what's the first day first show timing is. If a movie is 7 a.m., I wake up at 6. I travel almost 50 minutes. I reach there, I watch the movie, I come back and then start shooting. I have trained my own editor. He's my friend.
Okay.
I said, I need an editor, I'll teach you how to do it. And I taught him the way I want it to be edited. And since we have been doing this for 3, 4, 5 years now. He has been trained well, and he edits it in 1.5 hours or 2 hours.
And how much time does it take for your scripting process?
Honestly, I don't script much because I like to be in the flow. I remember the main points about movies, like story, acting, if it's about romance or action, VFX, CGI, some stuff, and then conclusion.
Oh, so you like have these templates?
Yeah.
Like ki
In my
have
mind,
to- हाँ.
in my mind, yeah.
Okay, so you're not like having a notepad ki,
No,
oh,
no.
ये shot अच्छा था.
So if I see, okay, this action sequence was really good. So in my mind, I put that in my action compartment. That when I come to action, I need to talk about this part.
Oh. So mental templates ki हाँ, like this, these things need to be covered.
But ये बात हुई बस एक मूवी की. जितना मैंने सुना है, you go for like 3-4 movies एक ही दिन में, script, edit and upload.
Not 3-4 movies, but I try to watch them as many as I can. I think the max we have done is watching 3 movies and making 2 videos, and then shooting a podcast which runs for 2 hours.
Okay.
So that's the max.
Yeah, like speaking of the podcast, like from BNF TV to Anime Cloud to Men of Culture, like can you tell us more about that journey?
Okay, I started in 2018. I was doing a part-time job, and then there's this movie, Andhadhun. It came out. I watched it, and I was thinking about it for 2 days. What happened in that movie? What was that ending? Was it real? Was it fake? And then I was sitting in my cubicle. I pulled out my phone. I recorded a voice note. I went home. I edited photos and used memes to create a video. I uploaded it. It received around 12 to 16,000 views in one day. And I was like, what?
Yeah, like that was your first video.
Yeah,
and-
first video, and it blew up.
Wow.
Then I thought, okay, let's try this.
Uh-huh.
I was earning decently, like moderately. I received my salary. I put those into movie tickets. And then slowly I built BNF TV, which is my main channel.
Yeah.
Anime Cloud.
Yeah, so I amassed an audience, and when the Weathering with You was about to come out in Indian theaters, they told me, please watch this movie, please watch this movie. I went, I watched it, I was like, this is something new, I'm getting goosebumps talking about it.
Nice.
After a point of time, I thought maybe I should start watching more anime, and people started recommending it. Initial videos, I did upload it on BNF TV, my main channel, but then I realized if I'm watching these animes for days and days, I should.
It will be great for you to create a new channel
New
itself.
channel, yeah.
So was Weathering You with you your first anime movie that you watched?
No. So, I don't know if this will make the cut, but Your Name, and that too, it's Hindi dub. Dubbed by none other than...
our
Anime
first
Game Talks.
yeah. Our first guest of the show.
It was fan dubbing, right? Like what he did.
Yeah.
Brilliant thing.
And the second was Weathering with You.
Ah.
So both Makoto Shinkai films started.
And what about Men of Culture? Like
Yeah.
what started? Like how did you meet with the PJ Explained and Mohit Comic Verse?
As you create content in your niche, you realize these are other creators who are coming up or doing or making videos. And then you talk to them.
Yeah.
Like, how are you? How is this going? So we three all knew each other. And there was this DC fandom event going on. We decided let's live stream it. As in just our reaction, not the event. Like we are reacting to what's happening. Oh, this movie trailer came out. DC fandom, they dropped Batman's trailer, Robert Pattinson. We reacted to it and we were like, oh my god, what is this? We were blown away. And I remember very vividly, it was around 1:30 or 2 a.m. in the morning, in the night. And still we had around 2,500 or 3,000 audience watching us live.
Oh.
React. We were not streaming the event. It was just us three and talking about stuff, and that late in the night, I was like, maybe there is something there.
Wait, so how were you shooting your reactions? Like, were you all on the same call? Or?
Yeah, we connected on Discord, video call, and one screen recorded all of our windows, and it was streamed on YouTube. That's it. No fancy editing, nothing. It was just us three talking.
So what I'm trying to understand is you started BNF TV because you thought about, you want to talk about something. The views just came. The same thing happened with Men of Culture.
Yeah.
That you were not expecting, but it just, so it gets me to my second question. Okay, how do you manage to make 3 channels get millions of views, and do you think you were lucky?
I think there was a bit of luck involved. I would not dismiss that. If I didn't watch Andhadhun, maybe I wouldn't be here. If I didn't watch Weathering with You, maybe I wouldn't be here. So there was a bit of luck involved. And regarding views, I think the simple mantra is do what you love. Even for content, I make videos on stuff that I personally like, or I know that will get me views. So that's
smart
it.
way,
Yeah, that's it. Either I love this stuff or I know it's gonna get views. Just make videos on that. And if you're showing your own passion, right, into your videos, you're passionate about something, people connect with that.
Absolutely.
Correct.
Yeah.
So that's the key.
Like, speaking about views, like, what's the stupidest thing you've ever done for views?
I think this was a time where movies were not frequently releasing in theaters because of Hollywood strike, and there was a pipeline issue.
Yeah, with the script writers,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. And even here, because of lockdown, everything got disrupted. So I was like, okay, no movies. What should I do? I just looked at movie theater and there were movie playing. I thought, let's do it. I woke up at 8. I went there. I watched a movie. I came out. I took another ticket. I watched second movie. I came out. I took another ticket. I watched the third movie, and then the security guy was like, have I seen you before?
And which movies were these?
I don't remember actually.
Uh-huh.
These were small movies. I knew if I make a video on each one of them separately, they would not get views. So I thought maybe let's give them something spectacular. Like I watched 4 movies in a day, back to back, and that's what I did. 4 movies in a day, back to back. Watch a movie, come out, take another ticket, do this 4 times. So,
Baapre.
Like, I won't say that's the stupidest thing, but that's like the smartest thing, man. Like, you know your
but
audience.
it feels very stupid when you're doing it and the security guy is scanning you 4 times.
Yeah.
So you were saying that because of a movie, if it was not there, you wouldn't have become BNF TV. The same way, I'm going to take the topic to a small tangent. It's in my book actually. The reason I can also say that we are over here has to do something with you, because when I was checking out other content creators, this was like I started Analyst 4 years ago. We started Analyst 4 years ago. And then at that time in my book it's mentioned the #1 content creator, BNF TV /Anime Cloud.
So yeah, we took your inspiration about your
Yeah.
daily grind.
So I guess everything happens for a reason, you know?
Well, thank you so much. I never knew that indirectly I would maybe influence someone and then I'd be here.
Yeah.
Like life came full
Yeah, full
circle in
full
this
circle.
case.
Thank God I watched 4 movies in a day.
Well, on that note, before we move on, it's time for a quick message for everyone watching at home. People of India, we have a huge event for you to attend to. That's on the 10th of January in Bengaluru. Ota Tokyo is coming to you.
The Great Indian Anime Show is also going to be there. We'll be over there signing copies of my book, and you guys can click photos and meet us in person.
But that's not it. There are going to be famous cosplayers, the singer of Naruto theme song, food, music, the entire Tokyo vibe right here in India.
So don't miss out Ota Tokyo on the 10th of January, Bengaluru.
For more details, go onto the Ota Life app right now. The Great Indian Anime Show presented by Ota Life will be right back.
The Great Indian Anime Show. The Great Indian Anime Show.
Okay, Badal, right now it's time for the rapid fire round presented by Ota Life, Japanese culture here in India. If you give your answers ekdam smart, ekdam quick, you will win a Ota Life presented hamper. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Born ready.
So the first question is, are you ready? have you ever ghosted another creator?
कितने I mean, I don't do it on purpose, but होता है ना कि you read it from the notification and you're like, okay, I'll reply. and then
अच्छा बट ये तो अनजाने में हो गया, कभी ऐसा देखा कि यार इसको नहीं करना?
नहीं, जानबूझ के तो नहीं.
One character you'd pick as your best friend instantly.
Eren Yeager.
हैं?
Eren Yeager.
Why?
He would kill 80% of the world for me.
The question is one character. You could have said Thanos.
हाँ, he would have like killed half the universe for you.
That's true. But I think universe is
थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. 80% of the world is
You're
fine.
like मेरे बादल को चाहिए. Okay, next. If anime characters could have a YouTube channel, who would have had the most subscribers?
I think Gojo Satoru.
Oh.
Because
Not
he's
Goku.
I haven't seen Dragon Ball, so Gojo Satoru because he's cocky and
नहीं.
Girls like him.
he gets Kit Kat, so people would be like, oh.
Speaking of that, who are your top 3 waifus?
वहाँ देख के बोलूँ. Your Forger, Your Forger, Your Forger.
Kiss, marry, kill those 3 waifus.
Oh. I think it's very simple. Your Forger, Your Forger.
One creator who talks more than they upload.
One creator
Yeah.
who talks more than they upload.
बड़ी बड़ी बातें वड़ा पाव खाते हैं.
Oh, झगड़ा लगाना चाहते हो तुम?
हाँ.
मसाला चाहिए.
I'm looking at you, Tarun.
Anime team talks.
हाँ भाई, महीने में एक वीडियो आती है इनकी.
So Tarun, please start uploading more.
Upload more.
Which anime character would you swap places for a day?
If you know, you know. 99% of the men have perished. Have perished. But I cannot take the name of that anime, so I will go with Gojo Satoru. Let's go with
Man of culture.
Yeah.
I didn't get it.
There's this
Yeah.
anime where 99% of the male population has died.
Yeah. Only few have survived, and now they have the responsibility to regrow
Bring back
humanity.
humanity.
Yeah.
Baap re.
But Gojo Satoru, yes, that's the
Gojo
first
Satoru
answer,
is the correct answer.
Which anime superpower you wish existed in real life?
I think the ability to heal others,
Oh.
that would be a...
From going cultured to polite.
Oh no.
Which anime character would be a disaster on a date?
Disaster on a date. Goku?
Yeah.
Because
Definitely, yeah.
You spend time just eating.
who am I gonna fight?
Okay. So now, word association with content creators. I'll say a word. You need to say the name that pops in your head first. Okay? Greatest.
Casey Neistat.
Overrated.
आज मैंने अपने संतरे का नहीं बोला था क्या?
I bet you didn't know this. Okay. Underrated.
Underrated. There's this small YouTuber called Anime Clouds.
Love.
उसका फिर से बताओ मैं या Anime Clouds चलता है ठीक है.
चलो दूसरा सोचो.
Okay.
Love.
Loved, most loved creator.
Yeah.
Or whatever, whoever you think when you think love.
I think Indian context की तरफ अगर थोड़ा है तो भुवन माम would be a good answer.
Chaotic.
Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli guy.
I show speed.
I show speed. Yeah.
Funny.
There's this channel जो history को काफी summarize करके बताता है कार्टूनी तरीके से. I think no CGP Grey or something. Channel नाम है. I find him very funny.
Okay. Next set of questions. Have you ever caught feelings for another creator?
Another creator? No.
One anime take that would start a huge internet debate. ऐसा कौन सा है hot take? बताओ जरा.
A real life example, I think we already know. There was this huge
बताइए.
Sukuna versus Gojo. So that would be a very, very safe answer. Who's stronger?
Okay.
Yeah, what's your take?
I think Sukuna is stronger, hands down.
Anime Cloud followers.
Okay, which anime character would be the most annoying roommate?
Zenitsu.
If you could bring one anime pet to real life, which one would it be?
2020 Chopper. But he's not a pet, but I wish.
One anime or DC Marvel villain that you low-key respect.
Loki. I Loki respect.
Nice, nice.
Who's the one creator you'd never invite to your birthday party?
From the Indian anime ecosystem.
One creator.
Yeah.
Anime specific.
Yeah.
एक creator है जिसका नाम मैं तुमको बाद में बताऊंगा.
Like थोड़े hints for the audience
थोड़े
sitting
hints?
at home.
Right.
Right.
नहीं सुनाई नहीं दिया.
Let's skip the question. Next.
चलो ठीक है.
Okay, moving on. If BNF TV had a signature anime pose,
Oh.
which one would it be? Nice. Spirit gun. Okay. According to you, which actor has got the most toxic fan base?
I will give you two.
Okay.
Not just one, two. I think Shah Rukh and Prabhas.
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why? What's your thinking behind it?
Hey, even I'm a huge Shah Rukh fan, yaar.
Not you, but I have seen the ugliest of the battles and it's these two.
Huh.
Yeah. Their movie clashed on 21st December 2023, I think, with Salar and Danki, and it was very, very terrible.
Damn, okay.
For me as a creator. No matter what you say, you're just gonna get edits made and stuff.
Huh.
Yeah, it was very bad.
Damn. Okay. Complete this following sentence. BNF TV without movies and anime, or Badal without movies and anime is like what?
Nalla Berozgar.
So, what do you think, Aryan? Does Mr. Badal, Mr. Cloud, deserve our gift hamper?
So he did give us some controversial takes. So yes, you do.
Yeah. So, Mr. Anime Cloud, here is your Ota Life gift hamper.
तालियां हो जाए. तालियां हो जाए. I would like to take this moment and Mom, everyone who supported me for the 7 long years, I finally reached it. Oh, ये T-shirt है.
Yeah.
Okay. Unleash your otaku vibe. Nice, yeah. ये सही है. Very nice.
I really hope that you liked our gift hamper.
Yeah, इसको घर लेके जा सकता हूँ ना?
See, absolutely. So, Badal, now it's time for the next segment. It's called Anime What If. Yeah, so we're going to put you in this anime world and you'll have to tell us what would you do in that scenario. And for you, the anime world is My Hero Academia.
What would I do?
What would be your quirk? Let's start with that. Which quirk would you like to have?
Reducing infinite money out of my.
On the skin.
If I can make anything, I would just money कितना 200 हुए भैया.
Yazuruzu ka quirk.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
I'm actually going to ask, would you be a hero or would you be a villain?
Hero?
Why?
It's a safe bet. People would love me. I can roam around in public. I can just spend money and worry about nothing. No world domination, nothing. Just
You think you can be the #1 hero if you can just produce all the money and all the fame?
nah.
Right?
Like world market पूरा गिर जाएगा यार.
Huh. I don't want to be #1 hero. I just want to, no work, nothing, play all day, producing money, eat stuff, produce money, eat stuff. Just have a chill relax. Yeah, मजा.
मेरे को वही पूछना था कि like would you join a hero agency? करना ही नहीं है.
Let's say that you will have to. Okay.
Okay.
What agency would you join?
The agency which will pay me more.
You're totally money minded.
Yeah.
मतलब मैं खुद से पैसा बना सकता हूँ. तुम भी दो मुझे.
तुम भी दो.
And do you think that society will accept your power?
Mm,
Let's say right now you as BNF TV have that power to produce money. Will
not
you-
just money, other stuff, but I will produce money. I can produce other stuff.
Okay.
Acha, oh, so you can produce a lot of things and money is a part of it.
Yeah.
Do you think society will agree, like accept it?
Yeah, why not?
मैं तो हाँ, देना 1 लाख देना.
And do you think you will still continue YouTube?
I think yes, I will, because I like this stuff. Maybe I will reduce the number of videos that I make, but I'll definitely be doing YouTube.
What will be your quirk?
My quirk, यार, all for one. मुझे सबके पावर्स चाहिए.
मेरे को लगा तू greedy बन रहा है.
Ah, look at him go.
मुझे तुम्हारा भी पावर चाहिए.
Oh नहीं, बचाओ.
So even if you get transported to an anime world, would you stay at home?
If money is sorted, food is sorted, definitely.
So you won't like travel to other
Across the
places.
land, searching far and wide.
Why? If I have internet, if I have games, if I have movies,
Oh, so you don't like traveling or something?
once in a while, let's say every 6 months or every year,
Okay.
Annual trips.
घर से बाहर निकलूंगा तो सीधा बाहर ही जाऊंगा.
Well, just like our guest, we hope that even you don't move a lot because the Great Indian Anime Show will be right back after a small break.
The Great Indian Anime Show. The Great Indian Anime Show.
एक सेकेंड ना, तुम लोगों ने मुझे बहुत सारे सवाल किए. तुम्हारा शो है तो क्या हुआ, अब मेरी बारी है.
ठीक है.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Aha! This is Badal ka badla.
Yes. I've come prepared. Revenge time. So between you two,
Yes.
Aryan and Sahil, who forgets the script more often?
I do.
मैं
Oh, you do? I feel I
देखो
do.
यहाँ भी नहीं बन रही दोनों. Who's the bigger flirt?
मैं
100%.
Not gonna
Lord.
compete?
Not good. I do not flirt. I'm like, hi. इधर मेरा काम होता है. He puts so much efforts.
Oh.
I don't
So
need to.
he's saying he's better than you.
Yes.
Just high works.
नहीं मेरा चेहरा काफी है.
Who gives more fake laughs during shoots?
Good question.
I think ये जीत गया. तुम्हारा natural निकला था. You need to practice more. Fake laugh.
Yes.
Who's more likely to get cancelled first?
Aryan के takes काफी hot होते हैं
Yeah.
anime related.
है?
My hot take, the biggest hot take that I have is Death Note is mid. I have to say it is mid. No matter what, I'll always stick true to it. Death Note is mid.
हो गए कैंसिल हो गए भाई चलो पैक अप.
ये तुमने पहले बताया होता ना. मैं नहीं आया. Guys, हम लोग साथ में बैठे हैं लेकिन I do not associate. Who takes longer to get ready?
Sahil.
थोड़ा एफर्ट लगता है यार.
I just wake up and I look awesome.
ओहो. Somebody woke up and chose violence, I see.
So that's 2 and 1. ठीक है, between you two.
चलेगा?
He's winning.
Good one, okay.
Who thinks they are the main character of camera?
मैं.
Yeah, Aryan.
Again him?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you keeping the count? Between you two, who would betray the other for 10 million subs?
मैं.
Aryan. हाँ.
धोखेबाज भाई.
उसके तो
नहीं, बड़े
Lamborghini.
मियाँ छोटे मियाँ माशाल्लाह.
अच्छा.
I'll get him a Lamborghini.
Oh.
अरे मेरा भाई.
He can cry in a Lamborghini.
एक थोड़ा इधर भी.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
Now we are friends.
Death Notice.
बोलो.
Lamborghini आने के बाद. I'll make a dedicated video explaining 10 points why Death Note is mid after I get my Lamborghini.
चल ठीक है.
ठीक है. Done.
Remote control. Anyway.
Who's more dramatic during an argument?
I think I am.
He is.
क्योंकि मेरे expressions बहुत होते हैं when I'm arguing with somebody.
And when I am having an argument, I'm like, so. I shut off.
साइतामा का
That's more
meme देखा है?
triggering. That's more triggering.
Yeah.
साइतामा का जो मीम है ना,
Okay.
वो आर्यन है.
Yeah.
ये भी सही है. मेरी इंग्लिश कैसी लग रही है?
Perfect.
थोड़ा और एक्सेंट मारो, थोड़ा और.
Perfect, मस्त जा.
Can you try an American accent? That was British. Okay, you're doing
ऐसा
good.
कुछ मत सुनो. हाँ, you're going good.
Who's more likely? Who's more likely to cry after reading a hate comment?
आर्यन.
यहाँ कर लो दोनों उंगली.
मैं comment section में झगड़ा करूँगा.
Oh,
But Aryan will take it to heart.
हाँ, I'll take it to heart. Yeah.
Yeah.
that's not a good thing.
Yeah, I know.
You have to read and say. Just move ahead.
देखो हर एक मिनट में हजारों कमेंट्स आते हैं ना, तो तू मूव अहेड कर सकता है.
I mean, after a point of time, you get
Used to it, yeah.
No, it took me time to get used to it as well. Like जब स्टार्टिंग में हजार फॉलोअर्स रहते तब लगता था,
हाँ.
अभी नहीं लगता.
Now you are a big creator. Eh?
Yes.
Who acts confident? दोनों में से, but secretly panics before recording.
Oh,
I
Aryan, yeah.
I do.
है?
Yeah.
बस.
हाँ.
अभी कैसे हो फिर?
Nervous. Because I am sitting with one of the biggest content creators. Nervous because I have a very big responsibility of the anime
that's true.
community on my shoulders. Nervous because this is the benchmark of the new next thing in the Indian anime community. So, इसके साथ I'm very thankful. Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Comment section में कभी एकदम अगली वाली fight have you had?
बीच में एक रील काफी वायरल हुआ था जिसमें मैंने सवाल पूछा था, will you take this mystery anime gift or will you take $100? तो काफी कमेंट्स आ रहे थे कि बक्स कौन बोलता है बे, रुपीस होता है. तो फिर मैंने सबको रिप्लाई किया हूँ और एक पॉइंट तक आ गया था कि शायद से मेरे ही रिपीट व्यूज काउंट हो रहे थे या फिर जो लोग और कमेंट कर रहे थे मेरे ही कमेंट्स के ऊपर, तो वो वीडियो को अराउंड 5 मिलियन व्यूज आ गए.
It was
और
crazy.
मजा भी आ रहा था कि हाँ और व्यूज भी आ रहे हैं.
So now you know hate sells.
यस. रेज बेट.
तो अभी बक्स बोलते हो या रुपीस बोलते हो?
Bugs.
अब मैं जानबूझ के बक्स बोल रहा हूँ.
सही है. Who would survive less than a day without anime?
Neither one of us. We love anime.
लाइक मैंने नॉर्मल IRL शोज देखना ऑलमोस्ट बंद ही किया है. मैं सिर्फ एनिमे कंटेंट ही कंज्यूम करता
And
हूँ.
even if you turn on the TV, like now on Z Cafe, you get Blue Lock, Bleach, Tsukimichi, Food Wars, so many animes that the accessibility just makes it easier. तो घर से ऑफिस से आने के बाद बैग रख के टीवी ऑन करके
एनिमे.
Anime.
Yes.
सही है. If you had to pick one, who's the real face of the show?
Sahid. Off camera, on camera.
वो उसका उंगली देख रहे हो.
नहीं, but between you two.
आई वुड से ये जो पूरा जो शो का जो सेटअप है फ्रॉम पिचिंग एवरीथिंग, आर्यन हैज बीन लीडिंग दैट. बट आई गेस व्हेन इट कम्स टू बीइंग द पोस्टर बॉय,
Yeah.
Your answer?
So the poster boy is the poster boy. And I feel off camera there are so many people who are actually the star of the show. It's not only me, it's the people who are sitting over here. So all it's them. It's
और
the
अगर
team.
तुम दोनों भाई नहीं होते तो?
आर्यन.
Okay. Word association. मुझे ये पूछा था ना? बारी बारी अब. तो say the first name that comes to your mind.
Okay.
दोनों साथ में, ठीक है? Greatest.
मी.
Analyst.
ओके.
Okay. Overrated.
Mr. Beast.
Repeat the
Yeah.
answer.
Mr. Beast.
That was Mr. Beast. Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Picking fight with the.
The most
the goat.
overrated, yeah.
बट हाँ यार थोड़ा बहुत लगता है कि हाँ.
Underrated.
एनालिस्ट. या.
Underrated, I really feel trash taste, you know. they can go more global, I feel.
Love.
PewDiePie.
PewDiePie.
Okay. दोनों भाई finally
Yeah.
same page. Chaotic.
PewDiePie back in his days.
हाँ, the old PewDiePie.
Now he's become a father. So
Yeah.
Funny. PewDiePie नहीं बोलना पड़ेगा.
वो है यार.
But दूसरा आंसर.
Funny. Ooh. Oh, Tanmay Bhatt.
Yes.
Tanmay Bhatt, Samay Raina.
So now you are the big fish.
Yeah.
Nice pun.
अरे नहीं मतलब वैसे नहीं लेकिन अरे यार नहीं तन्मय सर
Oh, big fish.
अबे नहीं यार
Oh, I got it now.
next question one creator who you think is your competitor
On an honest note.
honest note
See, we started off with podcasting. So all the podcast group that also includes Men of Culture. I feel is our competitor. Technically, that is the right answer.
Yeah.
And also PRly good.
who are you jealous of Indian creators anime creators
You.
है
Yeah. Like with jealous of.
safe answer
हाँ नहीं. But to elaborate on it, your consistency.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are respected. You are incredibly talented when it comes to scripting and team management. You are the backbone of this whole industry when it comes to content consumption. So yeah, you.
ये सब आएगा ना कटेगा तो नहीं
आएगा आएगा.
अगर नहीं आया मैं फोन करूँगा सारा काट दिया तुमने अच्छा मुझे अलग से क्लिप दे दो मैं अपलोड कर देता हूँ Have you ever ghosted another creator?
Yes.
Willingly?
Willingly.
Oh.
On the same point where what you said, the काम इतना रहता है. Like also during this show, coordinating with so many people during that time, there were also other groups and people that were contacting us. So I had to ignore. By ignore, I'll come back to you.
अच्छा बट ऐसे नहीं कि यार इसको नहीं रिप्लाई कर रहा हूँ मैं
नहीं.
ऐसा
नहीं, वैसा नहीं. I reply.
बट थोड़ा टाइम लेके
हाँ.
जो ऑलरेडी काम चल रहा है पहले वो सॉर्ट करते फिर मोमेंटरीली घोस्ट.
ओके दैट्स गुड एटलीस्ट तुम बाद में मैसेज तो करते हो
Yeah.
अरे यार who's most likely to go viral but for the wrong reasons
Sahil.
बक्स.
I think अब उसका एक next evolution कुछ next ऐसा ढूंढ के निकालो
हाँ
जो लोग
निकला ना.
hate करते हैं कि इंग्लिश में कैसे बोल रहा है
हाँ.
स्ट्रैटेजी
करेंगे साथ में भी रील बनाएंगे.
What's one anime opinion that would cause wars on the internet?
सर.
Boruto sometimes is better than Naruto.
अच्छा ये अलग ओपिनियन बता
हाँ.
मतलब कि डेथ नोट के बारे में बताइए.
वो तो है ही, वो तो ट्रुथ है.
Boruto?
Boruto sometimes is better than Naruto.
हाँ बोरुटो का आई वुड से एनिमेशन काफ़ी अच्छा है. स्टोरी जिस दिशा में जा रहा है आई वुड से इट्स क्वाइट बेटर देन नारुतो बट इट्स नॉट बैड एज अ सीरीज.
And you think that would start a war?
हाँ क्योंकि अभी लोगों को बोरुटो नहीं पसंद क्योंकि नारुतो का स्टोरी देख लिया. अभी बोरुटो क्यों देखूँ मैं? I don't relate with this.
I have another hot take which might start a war. I was recently watching Bleach. And I really feel I also watched One Piece. I dropped it. Boring लगा.
Okay, नहीं कोई बात नहीं
I guess
Lamborghini आ रही है.
out of the big three, Bleach is the best with the actual premise and the world building. Soul Society का.
Do you think JJK copied Bleach?
No.
Okay.
थोड़े लाइक गेगा अकुटामी का थोड़े है लाइक पिक्स बट नॉट आई वुड से एंटायरली. PR safe.
Do you think he copied Gojo's design from Kakashi?
Yes. Yes.
अच्छा हाँ भाई ने बोल दिया.
Not going safe, just yes.
So it's a game of tease. Things that you cannot say but almost see is a tease factor. So Gojo is the best example for it. Because after such a long time, then he shows his eyes, and the eyes are so beautiful that people just fawn over. It's about the tease, nothing else.
Okay.
Well
okay.
put answer.
Good
Analyst.
recovery. Good recovery. Last question.
Yo.
Complete the sentence.
Okay.
Without analyst, the great Indian anime show is like.
It's like Sahil without Aryan.
झप्पी पाओ ठीक है भाई मेरा हो गया अब तुम क्वेश्चंस करो
That
मैंने
was
अपना
tough.
बदला ले लिया
नहीं but those were good questions. थोड़े
thank you.
copied लग रहे थे but अच्छे थे. Well, Badal, before we end the episode, we just wanted to ask you like, where do you see the future of you, like, and the future of Indian anime ecosystem, especially after this show, that is.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't know ये हफ्ते के बाद what I'm gonna do. I constantly think if YouTube's gonna get banned or something will happen that I'll have to stop. So
Huh.
what's the other thing I can do? That's all I think about.
And you think you will do content creation till the time you get viewership?
I think 2 or 3 years.
Okay.
If I feel like, then I'll continue. Otherwise, I'm out.
Have anything right now in plan? अगर बंद किया तो क्या करेगा?
Cannot say.
Ah.
But I mean,
थोड़ा
if,
tease.
if I have been in this space for 7 years now, and if I continue for another 2 or 3, 10 years, whatever I've learned, I will try and take the next logical progression. I'll try.
Okay.
A decade of BNFT.
And what are your takes on the Indian anime ecosystem after this show, the Great Indian Anime Show?
I was really excited before. That's why I got into the space, started creating content, because I personally believe this is gonna get even more bigger and wider as more and more people watch anime and then they talk about and then they spend on anime things. The market is gonna just to the moon.
Correct.
And after a show like this, we reach mainstream, baby.
Yeah.
Anime is not a niche anymore.
Exactly.
Anime is not a niche anymore. You said it right.
Yeah.
So, Badal, before we sign off from this episode, any quick message for our viewers at home?
I hope कि तुमको ये एपिसोड पसंद आया हो. Support anime, keep watching anime. जैसा मैंने कहा, anime to the moon, baby.
Nice. Well, on that note, thank you so much for watching this episode. You've been an amazing audience and you've been an amazing guest on this episode.
Thank you for inviting me. Best of luck.
Thank you so much.
Doing really good.
Thank you.
This has been the Great Indian Anime Show presented by Ota Live. Thank you so much for watching, and here's a quick message by Hiro-san.
नमस्ते इंडिया, मेरा नाम हीरो है फ्रॉम जापान. आप कैसे हो? To bring authentic Japan otaku culture, we are here. And it starts on January 10th in Bangalore with first cosplay J-pop fest, Ota Tokyo. The official singer of the Naruto will perform live in India for the first time. Also, dive into the immersive experience. Beverage competition, authentic matcha cafe, and so much more. Bring your family, friends, and make unforgettable memories. Ota Tokyo, January 10th, Bangalore. Don't just watch it, live it. Ticket is available BMS and Ota app. See you soon and stay otaku. じゃあねー。